Oh, yeah, she got it. Get up, guys. Oh, let's sit down. You guys want to sit down? What is going on, y'all? What is going on with you guys? All right, guys. So we are going to Balboa Island. This is Ocean. Ocean what? Let me see. Ocean Explorer. Yeah. We're going on an Ocean Explorer in SoCal, Santa Ana, in Newport Beach. And this is our first time doing something like this. And they used to have some kind of like beautiful light around some certain places. I don't know, but we're gonna find out. This is our first time. You guys excited?
Yeah!
What about Kaylin? Tell me what you think, Kaylin.
Scared.
Why?
I don't know.
Why are you always scared but you like it?
Because I got seasick.
What? You
did not.
You're so dramatic. Oh, it's lock and low. Lock and low. You see that?
Are you ready to go, guys?
Oh, you guys nervous?
No.
I am nervous.
Oh my God, look at that boat.
Here we go. Look at all the boats in front of us, guys. Oh, there's up here too. We forgot about upstairs.
Should we go upstairs?
Later, maybe later.
No. Mommy said we cannot move.
Oh, there goes the engine. Can you feel the engine?
What's wrong? Why?
Boo.
This is the best
me
way
show
to
you
see
guys.
lights, huh, Colin?
There we go.
Yeah? Look at all the houses with the Christmas lights.
There we go.
Are you in the middle of the ocean?
Oh, and that's the house right. These are the house that's in an island right here, right, babe? Once we are all settled in, we are gonna walk around the boat to show you guys what the boat looks like, okay? More lights required, but this is the nighttime. Look how beautiful it is at nighttime with the phone, babe. Dang. This is the dock where we just left off right here, guys. This is the dock where we just left off.
Each of these houses that have their own boat.
So it seems like you can start moving around now,
See
so
that big? Each house has their own boat now.
let's really walk and talk. Let's really walk and talk. You gonna walk? Let's really stand up and check it out. Wow.
Should we go inside? Oh, look at all those boats. That one has 3 engines. Vroom.
Corn domestic beers,
Whoa!
enchiladas, mimosas, margaritas, all sorts of good stuff. We accept cash or card. Definitely go check them out on the main deck. United States Coast Guard requires us to go over some life-saving equipment with you. Life jackets are located downstairs underneath the seats inside the galley. Life rafts above you on the wheelhouse up here on the second deck. There's man over with drawings right outside the wheelhouse over here on the second deck, going downstairs towards the back of the boat. 5 car stations located throughout the boat. Not going to be using these items. Just letting you know locations. Restrooms are located downstairs on the main deck towards the back of the boat. If you're going to be moving around, please make sure you use those handrails, especially transferring from deck to deck. If you're up here on the second deck, please remain behind this red area that's in front of the wheelhouse. There's no smoking, no vaping, no outside alcohol. We do have a liquor license on board if you're looking for a nice, tasty evening beverage. Just go see Jimmy
Oh my God, look at that one.
Looks like it's going to be a gorgeous evening out here in Newport Harbor. Newport
one.
locals are practically go all out. Swimming out, hopefully they have a great time.
Oh my.
We are standing right behind the boat, and look at this, guys. This is how the boat looks like from the back. Right there. This is actually an awesome event for a night out with your family. It's beautiful, the weather's nice. What else? The boat's not really moving very fast, so we can actually stand behind this boat and just look at the view. And I mean, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Right there. Look at this. You can see the city. You can see all of that. Hold on, let me see my kid do Titanic. Colin, can you camcord me and mommy doing that? Please? Please? No, no. Do not drop the phone. Do not drop. Hold it right, okay? Hold it like this. Hold it. Oh, you gotta do it. Why are you laughing? Why? No, no, no. Oh my God. What are you doing?
Alright, here we go.
What?
Daddy, so go up top.
All right, let's try to go on top. Wait, wait. Do not run. No, no, no. Let's go through this way. Let's go through this way. Hey. Let's go through the top deck through this way. Go, go. Want a drink? Excuse me, sir. All right, no, no, that's way. This way. Walk. Do not run. Come on, let's go. Let's go up. All right, hold on to the rail. Go.
No. Ocean Explorer VIPs.
Oh no. Oh.
What's that mean?
It's okay, but this is the front. That's the boat.
Oh, that's a candy cane. Oh, this house is nice right here.
Wow, look at this, guys.
Mommy, I want to go on.
Everyone's enjoying a good time. See, it's relaxing. And how much was the ticket for this? $25 per person, guys. Not bad. You know, it's just something to enjoy, relax.
Oh, look at the shoe. Oh my God, look at this house.
Look at this. This is so cool. All right. We gonna buy something? Okay, let's buy something. Might as well.
Hot chocolate? Popcorn?
What do they have here? Let's see. They have popcorn. They have popcorn. Sour Patch, M&M's, candy, Snickers, and then they got some Pringles, and then chips, and of course some alcohol drinks, beverages.
Can we get one popcorn and two hot chocolate? Yeah.
This is pretty cool. Really nice. I like it. I'm simple. Something like this is a blessing already, and you know, just good family time and spending time with the kids. Want to step outside? $3 for the hot chocolate. Not bad. Not bad at all. fresh, honey.
It's not fresh.
But it's good. It's good. So what I think about this trip is, first of all, the price is pretty good. For $25, you know, this trip is roughly an hour. The boat doesn't move very fast, so it's relaxing. You know, you won't get any seasick. The seats are really nice too, because there's a lot of these houses where they are decorating for Christmas, and I think this is the perfect time. And on top of that, the weather is not that bad. I was expecting it to be more cold, but it's really good. Huh, it's not that bad. I like it. And this would be good if you guys like go on a family trip and, you know, have nowhere to go. The kids are liking it. Look at that. They're dancing. Yeah, we saw that. That's the one that we turned around. Kaylin, let's talk to the viewer. How do you like it so far? Tell me. Like, you were scared at first, but what about now? Why do you like it?
First, not
Hold on. Okay.
Second, beautiful houses. Third, popcorn. Daddy, you can't say. Daddy, you can't say that's a mega building.
Oh, look at this one, y'all. That.
Guys, broccoli house.
Dang.
Broccoli house.
Tell the viewer what you think. Good? Like, what do you like about it? I can't hear you.
That we're going to the boat to see the other boat.
That was your favorite part? Why?
Because I love boats.
You like boats? Colin,
Yeah.
I forgot to record you earlier, but can you repeat what you like about this trip?
I like that the houses are pretty. Like they have colorful lights.
Do you recommend people to like take this trip when they are in SoCal?
Oh yeah, totally.
Yeah?
Totally, yeah. You can't say that's a millionaire goal.
What about you, Kate? You don't like this, huh? Kaylin's scared. Man, all of these are nice. Look at these houses. Man. I mean, they are lit up. They are lit up.
You just walk along and
Dang. The thing that we also be doing on this boat is all kind of game. We got all kind of activities going on. Look at this. Look at this. What is this going on here? Activities after activities. 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 Calm down. So on this boat, they also have massage. Comes with free massage on this trip.
Oh, Daddy, wave! Daddy, twerk! Grab it!
Hey! Alright, we're gonna end this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog about us going to Balboa Island on a boat. $25 per ticket during Christmas time. See a lot of lights, as you can see. Good weather, highly recommend it. Kids really enjoy it. You can buy drinks, food, snacks. The only hard part was finding parking, but we figured it out. There was 2 parking spots. We found a good one. It was free too, so that's the best part about it. Other than that, guys, say bye.